I'm going to show you how to fix the web helper not responding for Steam on Windows 11. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the search bar at the bottom and type in Task Manager. At the top, we want to type in Steam, right click on Web Helper, and then select End Task, and then proceed to do the same for every single Steam process that remains. Now that we've done that, head on down to the search bar again and type in Steam and right click on Steam, then select Open File Location. From here, right click on Steam and again select Open File Location. From here, find the steam.exe, right click on it, then select Properties. From here, navigate to the Compatibility tab and ensure Run this program as an administrator is checked and press OK. Next, scroll all the way to the top till you see a folder called CEF. Open that up. You might have two folders here, so you can just do the same process for both, but we'll do the top one first. So cef.win7x64, open that up, then locate Steam WebHelper and press delete. Go back, open the next one if you do have two, and do the same here. Finally, close out of that, navigate to the search bar again, type Steam, right click on it, click Run as Administrator, and your issue should now be fixed. If you still have issues and it's not working, then I would recommend seeing if you have the Asus Armory crate installed, as oftentimes this can cause conflicting problems. So just uninstall that. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.